गाइस व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में हम इंस्टाग्राम के वायरल फैशन हैक्स को ट्राई करने वाले एंड वी वुड बी टेस्टिंग आउट दैट इज इट समथिंग रियली कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर आउटसाइड एंड गो और एल्स इट्स रियली कि सिर्फ वो स्क्रीन तक ही है कि नहीं. So yes, a little bit background changes also happen. It's a plain wall as then the door. So yeah, without any ado, let's get into the. जो पहला hack है ये कुछ t-shirt के साथ है and this was a reel and which got really very much viral and many people have redone it as well. So let's see how it is really all about. Okay. So उसके लिए टी शर्ट चाहिए एंड जस्ट वन बैंगल. ओके ओके फाइन, ठीक है, विल ट्राई दिस वन एंड हियर्स द बैंगल. ओके एंड हियर्स द बैंगल. फिर these both edges were twisted. Okay, this was she tucked it here. Okay okay, ये तो ट्विस्ट ही हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. ओके looks pretty good and yeah, like it will give a totally a new look to your top, totally. But the thing is, if your shirt, t-shirt, right? Yeah. So if your t-shirt is too long, little bit long, so it would add more good look over it. But yeah, ये crop top पे भी crop top नहीं था ये, but a little bit long we can say. But yes, it goes over here as well. So yeah. Okay, so here we are, and this shirt is too much long, काफी ज़्यादा. So इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा से curve आ जाएंगे. So let's start. But wait. Okay, she took this way. Okay, so सिर्फ मैंने दो बटन डाला है. I've just and rest is open. We'll be doing this way and this bangle again. Okay, this way we'll be twisting it, right? Yeah, twisting it. And tucking it. Okay. So yeah, इसके नीचे अगर ट्राउजर पहना जाए तो बेस्ट, इट्स द बेस्ट फॉर्मल लुक दैट वी कैन क्रिएट. बट या, दिस वी कैन ऑल्सो हाइड इट बाय doing like. Okay. Okay. So a shirt has turned up into a totally new avatar, and that is a top. Like totally top बन चुका है ये, and nobody will recognize it. It was a shirt. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's try that and tuck it off, and this hand will go over here. Tuck it off. So yes, better to have it a pin, वरना निकलने के चांसेस है, बहुत कम है, बट या मे बी है. सो या, दिस विल लुक ओके. दैट्स हाउ इट विल लुक एट द बैक. ऑल्सो लीव इट विद जॉगर्स और jeans. Looking good. Let's see. Pure place. So yes, this is looking so good at the back as well. Mostly मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ही good vibes आ रहे हैं मेरे को इससे. So yeah, this is just good to go with, like anytime you can wear anything. जब भी कुछ मन किया बाहर जाने का, and best is something to nobody's gonna know. Hack, and that is of t-shirt. Okay, so yes, for this we need t-shirts. Okay, we have some t-shirts. Okay, so basically this hack is going to tell us कि big t-shirt को कैसे crop top बना के पहना जा सकता है, and it's really effortless. Okay, so let's try this one as well. This hack we really need 2 rubber bands, and we have a lot of rubber bands, and one we will be tying up, and these are the 2 rubber bands that we will be using for this top. Okay, Okay, so take this part, turn it out, twist it out, and just pull it out. Okay, and again do the same with the next part as well, and just tuck it inside. Crop top, and इसके ऊपर हम कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. Basically we can also try out our shirt as well, so we can also try out our shirts. Just go for posing yourself. So yes, this hack is also very much useful. I really found it useful. So yes, हम ये कर सकते हैं basically, right? कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's move to another hack as well, and this would be the last hack that I would be trying out. Okay, so for this we need something called as dhaga, or okay. Fancy way, and it won't look it as a it's a shirt totally. It feels like it's a crop top with a good fancy covering given at the tummy part. But okay, so मैंने अंदर का टॉप निकाल लिया है because कुछ ज़्यादा ही गर्मी लग रही थी. So yeah, this the rubber band that we had used earlier. So yeah, so basically we have to tie a knot. Okay, so yeah, basically she is saying that कि instead कि आगे knot बांधने से better है कि पीछे knot बांध के little bit fancy लगने दो. So yeah, we will be taking this, tying a knot over here. Okay. So basically मैं अपने bra पे tackle कर रही हूँ उसको अंदर. But the thing is, you can also, if at all you have a thread, then धागा बांध के उसको totally, it will go really good with a big shirt. If at all you have a literally a very big shirt, that it can go, and you can get a good curve this side. But yes, this is also going good as I'm seeing. But yeah, इसको छुपाना है, छुपाएंगे. Your shirt in many ways, like in totally or many ways. So yes, this was one of the way. Instead of tying a knot at the front, so it's better to tie a knot at the back, and pata hi nahi chalega, nobody's gonna know. Yes guys, how did you find this video? Do let me know in the comment section which was your good outfit to wear and which you will be trying out. And yes, do try out, because it doesn't take anything, it doesn't cost anything. But yes, your like, share, subscribe and comment will mean a lot to me. So yes, without wasting your time, just do it. So yes, we will meet you in the next video. Till then, tada, bye bye.